Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Connor's World. Now, typically, this is my vlog channel, and so I won't be doing a whole lot of how-tos on this channel. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Google account without an actual phone. So let's just get right into it. Let's get right to it, and I appreciate you guys being here. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment. You know, all that fun stuff.
So we're caught up in drama. Everybody's talking, everybody's talking. We're caught up in problems. Everybody's talking, everybody's
All right, so here's what we're going to do. As you can see, you're right here on your YouTube page. So this is where we're at the moment. You want to come up here and you want to go to my channel. Go to your channel. Go look at your actual channel. As you can see, we're Gunner's World here. It's a brand new channel. Now, once you get to your channel, you want to go up here to your video manager. Click on that. Sorry, my internet's a little slow. Then you want to go to your channel here. You want to click this channel tab. And click the blue verify box. You want to make sure you click that. Now right here, this is where it sticks most of you people. So I get it. So you want to make sure it says United States. And then you want to hit call with the automated message. Then what you want to do is you want to go over here to textnow.com. Textnow.com. And no, they are not sponsoring me. This is just something I know how to do. And so this is how you can verify it if you don't have a phone or can't afford a phone or whatever the case may be. So this is a good way to get it done. You can sign up a Facebook, or you can just type in a name. You can type in any name you want, really. So let's just go with it. Gunnar Johnson. Johnson. Then you want to pick a username, of course. Looks like the username's already taken, so we're going to go Gunnar Johnson. And that one seemed to have worked. So you want to put in a password and then an email. An email in which you can verify the account. You can actually use any email. It really doesn't matter. You want to verify that you're not a robot. Pick some street signs or whatever the fuck they tell you to do. So basically, it's pretty easy shit, really. So, hope this is easy enough for you. It's really easy, and they're making me do this shit again. So let me scroll on down here. Get the bikes in the picture. Verify that. The username is already taken, it said. Is that what I just said? I'll be damned. So we'll just do that. And this should get us signed up. This right here should get us all signed up. I apologize for how long this computer's taking. I have a video uploading in the background, so. Now you just want to enter your area code. Any area code will work. Pick wherever you're at. I'm going to go ahead and pick 706. Turn on your desktop notifications. And now you got a new phone number. That's your new phone number. That's my new phone number for this activity. You want to copy this phone number right here. And then what you want to do is you want to go paste it right here in the Google verification system. Go ahead and hit the button. And now your account will be verified. And what it's going to do is it's an incoming call. So you want to answer that call, or it'll leave a voicemail, however you want to do it. But what it'll do is it'll essentially give you your verification number. And once it does that, you can go on over here, enter that number for the account verification. And then go ahead and hit the button. And congratulations, you're now verified. So Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you verify your account. As you can see, it is verified now. And this is for people that maybe just don't have a phone. You know, not everybody has a damn phone, but you have access to phones in general. So this should pretty much get the job done. Psst. Hey you, we ain't done yet. As you can see above, there's plenty of other videos to check out on the channel. If you like what you see, feel free to give us a thumbs up and even share the content. If you dislike what you saw, feel free to give us a thumbs down and tell us how you feel about it. With all that being said, you can also check out the description box where our Patreon is there if you would like to help out with the programming and continue to keep us going. I appreciate you guys being here. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.